Welcome to 1865 Ashton Road in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Liberty. This is David Saddlemeyer from Century Home and Liberty. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. That's the number 4. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. And feel free to change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. You don't want to miss out on all these features for this marvelous renovation. Parking pad, carport with outside storage, brand new roof, pretty brick veneer, fresh curb appeal. Love the color on this door, that really pops. And let's go inside. In addition to the brand new roof, most of what you're seeing is brand new. This is the living room with a gas fireplace. Brand new flooring, paint, fixtures, kitchen, bathrooms, and much more. The dining area, right off the kitchen. Again, everything is new. Kitchen island with a breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances. Lots to appreciate about this remodel. Sliding glass door to the backyard. It is fenced in, has some privacy on this side. There's a patio back there in the corner, and also a big patio here as well. House has been recently connected to sewer. Down the hallway here, 3 bedrooms. And 2 full bathrooms. Fans and blinds. All the selections are just beautiful. Tile work above the tub. Again, the bathrooms are all new. An attractive vanity there. The owner's suite. Matches the other bathroom here, with the second full bathroom. And tile from the floor up to the ceiling in the shower. Thanks for watching the tour. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoy the tour.